Liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, more you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention. Observe your surroundings. Trying to keep.
Why are you famous, sir?
I'm look on TV.
You look good. Me never even know see that in news. Me see pan. What make you deal with policeman, sir?
You don't know a thing go. I've burned down one and two things. I be things that go on in my house, you know. So I don't want the roads enter, I touch road, you know, and see them in a car. All of my money gone, you know. And then the police boy come assault me. I mean, I'll there back here for a minute.
Anyway, me want to know what happened. Because people appear speculation. People on the road that said this, someone said that. You know, Jamaica and all them stay. Them love gossip and chat with them not know. So guess what? Me don't want to know the truth and the whole truth. Want to know the whole story from you. Because you happen to so. I guess you have to tell me the whole story.
Only the fire can tell the story and the truth. Man. You know?
Cousin make good soup. Then me go cook the soup here. Knock now, one man.
Get off the road.
What I'm to you now?
Officer, one man run me down.
Why am I run down for?
You want to run me out of my own house.
I lie.
Yeah. I'm going to come up the twin.
Me no depend duty, you know, but me see what me can do still.
Me no business. Come on, me go up the twin.
Alright, come in my bicycle, because me can't walk, you know. I mean, I have my bike, then TV. Anyway, if I not now, me get rid of him, you know, get your number and thing, you know.
What do you mean, officer?
Yeah.
You know, like more policeman.
Right, now I'm tired, you know.
You want me to carry you? Me can't carry you, you know.
Alright, you can.
Go up. Go up on the bicycle.
Which one?
Over here, somewhere you deal with him in the officer. Finish it.
Alright, tap yourself.
Alright. You go on, officer.
Where in there?
In the house, in fire.
Fire us! Yo, fire us! What? Yo! Where anyone out of your house, sir? Police! Yo! What the boy? Hey boy, come here! Yo, daddy, you're busy there, you want to know.
And then I tell us after that now, I end up here, so.
Yeah.
So now, more you for come lock off the ends. You see like how certain people out of the picture you know, and you more for lock me harder now till I come back a road, I have to come back. So, what's up there? Well, I can tell you. I want to see you though for real. You know what I want to say for it, so you know. Yeah man, we just there going with one vibe today, you know. She there man, I go and start one and two things today. Yeah man. Yeah man, she good man. She there go and start with her thing. Yeah. You know, easy, you know. don't know how the fire steered, man. The fire keep on blazing. Yeah, for real. Should be
I go want your brother no more, no.
to do what?
I mean to do what? Remember the whole marriage thing and the whole little fire thing and the whole fire baby thing and them stuff. The minute you talk to him, I'm guessing you can talk some sense in your head.
So now me have to talk about that, we go talk to my brother.
Your brother will talk to you, I'm older than you, listen to him.
B, me don't tell you sorry to marry this, but you what, get the baby first.
No, me not either. Get the baby first. So your kind of lifestyle, your kind of whole lifestyle, me want to have solid ground. Can't work.
You have to sacrifice something. You have to improvise.
Me don't know about that one there, no.
How you think about it?
Anyway, maybe I call off my phone. Me don't have no credit.
You can't done credit like a drink credit though, right, Peter?
Thanks.
Rasta clean, ever fresh, oh God, oh God.
Hello, no? Hello, no? Hey. Alright. When me see you, we talk. Because me see if baby come up in a same phone when me call your number. Yes, when me see you, we chat about that. Fire!
Where is it really going?
Me just borrow your phone.
Sure.
I use it call my sister. I want me call her a baby pop up in the phone. Me hang up because me never sure me I say me must misdial. I do it again. I want to do it again. A baby pop up in the phone. Why you want my sister in?
Oh, that number there. You have yourself, man. You know that number they call me, man, enough time. Some of the fees are your number, that's why I saved as baby. Oh, me can't be say, yo, shame on you, man. Shame on you. The father never do a thing like that. Shame on you. Or your sister.
Well, let me tell you this. Make sure. Because I done page already. And I deal with that wicked and she's supposed to come check me. So I have to get to the bottom of it. So make sure you're on the right track. One.
You don't have to get to the bottom, man.
You can't tell me that fire.
Stay up on the top.
Me not trust you. You can't be trusted the whole world.
I get look at the too loud, you know. You can't take a... Back to my shower. We soon talk to you, the daughter. I'm fresh off. Fresh off. We soon talk to you. Ever clean.
Yo, fire. Fire.
Sure.
Breakfast ready, you know?
Come.
See your breakfast here, baby.
What is that?
No fry plant, no bread.
The plants are black.
You know, saw somebody me there talk to me, never realized them are burn.
What is that, brother, to eat?
Me have porridge.
I'll take about this, take you out.
See, you don't want it, fire? After me burn up my hand, them fi look about if you don't want it.
I bet you burn up the hand, them and burn up the plant, them, you know. Because we can't eat the blacks up here. You know what I'm saying? Some more just carry around there.
But the black of the berry is sweet or juicy, good for you.
Hey, don't get from the wrong side, no man. Go and carry back around the kitchen. Come on, I'm bun down in there, you know. Don't burn up people things. I hope so the porridge. No black, like the plant them.
See porridge here.
But you couldn't wipe off it. What you put in there?
I call meal porridge, babes.
Look like you done on pack of salt tonight.
Oh, Jesus. Me can't do nothing, please.
No, I know that, man. But you are. Nothing good. Let's see you try. I get a breakfast on the road. You want some pizza?
So you don't want it?
I'm not hungry again. Wait. My belly full, man. Thanks still. You can say try here. Thanks to try.
Suppliers waiting to me a for me there.
Oh, baby. Them man, them in our shorts, man. Straight from Miami, they come from, you know. Real
Backside.
gold or something.
A ruby this year?
You like them?
Me not like them, me love them. Them bad.
That's it, like.
I you know say me love red though, I'm my favorite color.
No, man. So what time fire are coming?
Talk about that, you know. Me not even so sure, me forgot. Me don't know.
You soon come.
Maybe or maybe not a what.
God, I see how it's back today. What go on, my general? Go on, my dad. Yeah man, you see me yard, me just reach a step more step in my house and I go all a vibe, you see?
No link here.
Beyonce! Oh, go on. Oh, wake you up? Oh my God, how are you? You look good though.
Hi baby.
Oh, go on. I guess you get brown and brown.
The bother with you,
So I want.
Right there. Tired?
But you know,
I'm wear out, man. I'm worn out.
no me I wonder though. How for them shoes there?
Oh, them shoes, you like them?
You know, type of shoes them.
A year ago, I want shoes, but I see a pass today and I buy them for you. You know like them?
So when I pass the bike shoes?
Yeah.
What size you wear?
10.
I know my size then.
Of course.
Look up there. Let me see her look. School them feet now, no? Long time I don't get a new shoes, you know.
One of them nice.
So all of that kill my foot. Don't know if you love me, you know.
I mean, baby, I spend the money alone by myself. It come like a carelessness, that.
Alright.
Neat body.
So look, I fresh up myself now.
Yeah, I'm going to go to shower.
I go do it now if I come join you, yeah?
Alright, papi.
Just breeze off.
Alright.
You over here keep it hot for the rest
I'm
of
supposed to.
How there, man?
Go on.
Where you run, sir?
Police boy, that's how me down a while ago.
Where the police are now?
Why me saw a police boy yard, me the man with the girl, man. Police boy and his friend come the man.
I escape. They're fast, you
Jump
know.
through bush and jump over my old man fence, you know. Run through yard. Cause boy don't bust be a shot off of me, you know.
You have to care for the life, you. Can't hear one now.
Yeah.
It's if I catch I and I woman, I give me bun.
Yeah.
But bun her out to nothing.
Real daddy, cause the woman are dangerous nowadays, you know, man.
But yo, differently. I want to shoot woman just buy for me there I go and look pan. You like it? You see it?
I knew Levi's and there.
Dear man, I run place and no man. Yo, you know how long I see it on TV and one.
Neat, daddy. Yo.
Like how you look, man. Feel like I can run the night.
Feel like I could have touched the dance night.
If you tell about it, boy.
Hey. And
Yeah,
here,
man.
you know.
Tell about it.
Yo,
Yeah, man, you find good woman. I make the mistake, you know. I put Rosie here, you know. So Rosie do Rosie bun down my house.
Yeah.
Now me get this African queen.
Rate the fairest.
Watch out, I love the girl love
If
me.
you buy shoes for you, he love you.
She love down to the ground, me walk pan. It's like how you run for shoes.
Yeah.
You can bounce upon a pier, you know. Cause I have new shoes now. Go and hold it. You go on road.
Like me wear the same size.
Now see that.
Rate them, man.
What do you mean? Go and beat them, man. You have to wash them first, them frowns, but you can't wear them broom skill. Wash your foot. Sure? Road.
Respect.
What do you mean, man?
Respect fairest.
Fire blazing.
Hey, Beyonce! Beyonce! Yeah, no man, I sleep with no my girl. I'm supposed to tired, you know. No man, I'm tired.
Oh, what you there? What you know you do? How you coming to my house?
The door, they don't open.
Eh?
So I come in like it seems like you want a man. I say you don't open. You want some wood in your fire.
Really?
So believe you see.
I must see money but Rosie teeth from Forest girl you come give me back.
So that we come we are talk about an exchange, we come for exchange. Man.
Exchange. Sit down there. Wanna sit down there and go and exchange.
Yeah, hold on, I soon call her back.
Exchange.
Yeah, man.
So look for me good. Look for me good. Me look like can be out here.
Girl,
Me look like can be out here.
listen. I'm gonna say extra
Right.
top, boy. You give you something, you give me something.
And that you fi do. Sit down there, 'cause I look like you know here's the Ferris come from.
Why somebody talk, man? I want to hear, man.
Hello. I want the money first.
Talk, man. Because, yo, a hot girl, I watch her. People bling them. Call it expensive. Watch that. I go, like, sorry, I don't know what I'm ready to give 150 and I'm just about
So give me the money first now.
Yeah.
You think me look like me idiot to you?
My girl, but should I go in there? My girl, want someone you know what's a rate?
Jesus Christ!
No, fire ras. Yo, come on, yeah, good man. No, Dan. What you done? No.
Hold on, man.
Hey, boy.
Yo, Ras. Watch out, Dan. Dan, watch out, man. Yo, Dan. Dan, no, get back your money, give Dan. Dan, no, get back your money, give Dan.
Me don't want to go back up this. No, you know white it. Make him white.
Yo.
Wanna?
Liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, more you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis. Pay attention. I'm serious.